So students, we're going to keep going and then we'll actually come back. So we're going to briefly talk about finding the measure of PQ. Q is a midpoint, so you're going to have in this picture, P is going to be 9y minus 2, and R is going to be right here, and this is not M, but Q. And this is going to be 14 plus 5y. So the beauty with this is actually a midpoint makes both sides equal, or congruent. So both lengths are equal, both sides are congruent. So you could set it up this way, solving for y. We do our algebra for y, and then I'm going to get this over here, 16 divided by 4y equals 4. So that's how you do that. And then if you want to find the full length, you do 14 plus, so you add these two together, you get 14y plus 12, and then multiply 14 by 4. Get, what's the midpoint? Now substitute. Do we need to find the measure of PQ? Oh, PQ. So PQ is 9y. Find the measure of PQ. My apologies, it's right there. Find the measure of PQ if Q is kind of. Okay, so we do have to find 4y. And then we get 36 minus 2, get 34. So 34, so you could say PQ equals 34. Okay, that's that. So you first solve for y, then plug y in for PQ. Okay. Okay. We're actually not going to do example 5 and 6. I have them uploaded, but I'm going to remind us again. So a review of thing. Sorry. Just like so we're going to review something, a key concept. Okay. Actually, we're not going to do anything. Example 6 or 7. We're actually going to skip it. Okay. If you want to know it, it's free for you to come back to it, but I do want to remind us of how to find a perpendicular bisector. So steps. First step, take a straight edge, have your line segment, okay? Now, I'm going to take segment AB. To construct a perpendicular bisector, we must take our compass and measure out from one endpoint more than half the distance, okay? So that's more than half the distance. It doesn't actually matter so long as it's more than half the distance. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take that and make two arcs. Okay, one on top and one on bottom. Then you go to the other endpoint and you do the exact same thing. Okay. Now, after you have made those four arcs, and they have intersected, you take a straight edge from both their intersections, so the point of their intersections, and you're going to draw a line. Sorry, that is not. Make sure the line is straight. Okay, this line, whatever it is, let's call it CD, is going to actually be the perpendicular bisector. Okay, where these two are congruent and these two are congruent. Okay, so that's the key concept. Now, this is a short lesson, so feel free to watch it again if you need to. Make sure you know how to make the constructions, because on this homework you won't, on Delta Map you won't be able to. But my expectation is on Wednesday, in class, we'll do a sort of quiz where all of you will need to show. Okay? So Remember, on Wednesday, we will do a sort of quiz where you need to make the perpendicular bisector. Okay? Thank you guys so much. This is a short video. Just want to let you know. I apologize if you had any confusion today. Any of the parts, just let me know how to improve. And have a great day. Bye.